the data definition language. So DDL is used to define and manage the data structures of schemas. Now what is schemas? Schemas are the logic structure of database. Example, let us take name, student. So S name, phone number, email. So this is the schemas. To define this, we use DDL. So there are some common DDL commands. First one is create. Create is used to create a new database object. Okay? So for command, so create command is create table name and semicolon. And second command is drop. Drop is used to delete all the table and as well as the data. So for this command is alter table name and drop column name. Okay, next third one is alter. Alter is used for the updations or to modify the existing objects. For example, in this table, I need to add another column. So to add another column, we use alter command. Next, fourth one is progend. So this is used to delete the data of the table, but it stays the structure of the table. It does not delete the structure of the table, but it deletes the data of the table. Okay. Next, fifth one is rename. Rename is used to change the name of the table or column. So we use this command. Thank you.